24-hour hydration. Eucerin Intensive Repair Body Lotion for sensitive dry skin immediately restores skin's radiance and delivers 24-hour hydration. 3-dimensional formula. This Eucerin lotion for dry skin has a 3-dimensional system that moisturizes, exfoliates and conditions very dry, flaky skin. Free of. This paraben-free body lotion is also fragrance-free and dye-free, and is gentle enough for use as a daily skin repair lotion for very dry skin. Convenient pump bottle. Eucerin body lotion pump bottle makes storage easy, and makes it simple to pump and apply anytime. Includes one 16.9 fluid ounce pump bottle of Eucerin Intensive Repair body lotion. Top reviews from the United States. The best lotion ever for softening skin. I am 79 and use Eucerin daily to keep from wrinkling on my arms chest. Wrinkling or crinkles just happen naturally, but Eucerin such helps. It's as nice thickness, not too runny, not too thick to spread on arms legs. And it dries in a few minutes so you can put on your clothes.